Ready? There is a bird upon my head. It's a subtle shade of red. There is a bird on your head too.